Tuesday the 25th of April. It is 20 past 10 in the UK time, and it's 20 past 5 New York time. This video here is just going to be a macro of where I think price is going to go in potentially this week or next week. So this is the daily for the DXY, and if we take a look up here, the 8th of March, it had a push up from the start of the year, from basically January, where it tapped into a weekly volume imbalance, or weekly fair value gap, I think it is. A weekly BISI here, it tapped into there, and then it wanted to run and take out that buy side liquidity and tap into a volume imbalance here. Once it did that, it broke down lower, market structure shift, and it tapped into this SIBI here, which is sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, pulled lower, and is now tapped back into the weekly SIBI, and it's also BISI, sorry, and it's also took that sell side here. Now there's a SIBI here, a fair value gap, which price is respected, and it's also respected this volume imbalance here. So prices for the last week has been literally just going sideways, just playing about, trying to figure out if it wants to push up or if it wants to go lower. So there was literally not much trading last week because you didn't know where price is heading. So if you did trade, it's sort of just either scalping or you'll be guessing. So the volume imbalance there, it's respected it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and now pulled lower. It's pulled below this fair value gap and is now pulled below this volume imbalance here, and is now acting as resistance. If it acts as resistance, then I'll be confident that it's going to take out the sell side down here. So we can now move this to here. So this could be the next target of draw liquidity. Just take it, keep an eye on this consequent encouragement of this wick here. And if we take a look at the consequent encouragement of this volume imbalance up here, look how price respects it even on like the 5 minute. So it pushes up, respects it once and twice, and pulls lower. So there could have been an entry for the London kill zone to go short for the dollar, so long on EU potentially. It's now tapped into this BISI here, but we'll just keep it on the macro for now. So yeah, so if price is trading below this, then I would target this low here, and if price then pulls lower, breaks this here, that's such a weird thing, let's make it a bit neater. So it pulls lower, I don't know why it's like that, anyway, pulls lower, retests that, then we'll be heading towards this here, this BISI here would be the next inefficiency. So there, and then where's it gone? Don't know why that's a bit strange like that, but you know. But yeah, so had that as resistance, and then our next target is there. So on EU, that means we'll be looking for longs EU. Let's take a look. So draw liquidity is here. It's at the minute it is respecting this SIBI. So I want to see price push up and close above this SIBI here, take out the buy side there before then it would take into this weekly imbalance. If price respects this and starts heading lower, then I want this volume imbalance here to show support. But hopefully if the dollar does pull lower, then this should close above this, and we'll be heading towards the weekly imbalance and that buy side. If you see here this BISI here, look at the way price is like just playing around there for the whole week of literally last week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it's finally broken above this. If you look at the 4 hour, look at the way price respects this here and then pushes up, retests this, So this is true support and resistance, and then it's pushing up higher, trying to attack the buy side here, but it's struggling with this volume imbalance, which shows that it's not as bullish. So yeah, at the moment, this CB here showed support, so at the minute we'll be looking for buyers for EU, and that's all I trade. So I'm looking at the E-mini as well, because that's ICT. All of this is from ICT. He trades the E-mini because it's a lot cleaner, and it is. The Forex is not as clean, but because I'm with FTMO, I just like trading EURUSD. So yeah, hopefully that's helped. We'll come back in like a week or so and see where price is, but at the minute I'm confident that price is pushing to take out this, as long as the dollar stays below here, and we'll be heading towards 100.8. So yeah, cool. Like, subscribe, comment, anything. If you want me to do a macro of any other pair, I will try and help you out as much as I can. Yeah, cool. Thanks for listening if you did.